cheese sa ibabaw. Salang ko sa microwave ng 1 minute. Ito naman guys, strawberries. Ayan. 1 for Frank, 1 for me. Ayan. Para maging healthy. Ayan. Health is wealth, diba guys? Hintayin natin guys ng 1 minute. Then, ready to eat na. Yummy, yummy broccoli with cheddar cheese. For 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done na. Yan guys. Yummy yummy broccoli with cheddar cheese. Ayan, para kay Frank. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.